Hi there, everyone. Meaning probably just me in the future. Um, Today I had a meeting with, we've been lighting, I guess. Terry Gilliam, or Gilliam, no, uh, Terry Killian, a court-appointed and hopefully paid for forensic psychiatrist. Um, just wanted to show y'all this note he wrote. I don't know if that's going to focus. As a memorialization of our meeting. Headed TMK, Christopher Hoda showed up for exam today. TUES 6-07-2022 with his autograph. Don't have anything to compare it to, therefore signature is not quite right.
I printed where I was supposed to sign.
Received at conclusion of meeting, began at approximately 1:47 post meridian, and meeting ended approximately 2:36 p.m. or post meridian. Let's see what else. I also had the office. Hey, you ticked. Ouch, my consciousness suffered.
Email or phone.
A visit brought me through the public defender's office, and they had up on the board the community events, or whichever there were. So one of them is LGBTQ plus support group, safe affirming space, process addiction, open discussion, substance abuse, mental health, or supports, I guess. Thursday, starting February the 20th, from 6 to 7 post meridian, at Community Healthcare Clinic, 900 Franklin Avenue in Normal, Illinois. Zone Improvement Plan, a trademark of the United States Postal Service. Zip code 61761. It says the ROSC is partnering with Planned Parenthood and Prairie Pride Coalition to launch a support group for adults 18 plus that identify as LGBTQ plus. That's the new way to say GLBT, I guess. The group is a safe place to talk about maladaptive behaviors that are disrupting one's quality of life. Facilitator is listed as gaynette. I've only met one person named with that call by that formerly worked for Mid-Central Community Action. Country code 1, area code 309, prefix 262, then 8167. The next one of 5 is that I chose, anyway, 5 that I chose. Winners Circle, facilitators training at Chestnut Health Systems, the Lighthouse Training Room, 448 Wiley Drive, Normal, Illinois, 61761, April the 8th from, oh wait, that's expired. Oh, that's the facilitators training, from 9 to 3 p.m. So it says winners circles are peer-led support groups for people who are committed to their recovery from life struggles and past criminal justice involvement. Family members and friends are welcome. Light lunch provided, 6 continuing education units. So that would be for train the circle makers. I wonder if there's a winner circle here. It says RSVP for this free training, Toy Beasley, 309-868-0681, that's country code 1, or Angi Chasinski. Photostatic copies, not in any way changed. 309-451-7835. Yeah. Oh. Each winner circle group is designed to be independent and self-sustaining. In Illinois, TASK, Treatment Alternatives for Safe Communities, helps guide the development of winners' apostrophe circles by providing training for winners' circle leaders and by working with community partners to establish locations for winners' circles meetings. Employment workshop. Mondays, 1 p.m. to 2:30. Children's Home and Aid, 403 South State Street, Conference Room C, Bloomington, Illinois, 61701. I'm not sure where that is. Yeah. Recovery-oriented systems of care. Bridges Group, formerly Connections, returns Thursdays at 7 o'clock p.m. After a 2-year hiatus, starting on January the 2nd day thereof, in the year 2020, the McLean County ROSC is pleased to announce the return of Bridges Group, formerly Connections. This is a family-friendly, newcomer-focused, all-recovery meeting that focuses on bridging the gap from treatment or early recovery to life on life's terms. Bridges used to take place at Advocate Broman, same day time. We hope to keep a similar format as before, only the location has changed to Chestnut Health Systems, see sidebar. For more info, contact Dan Sokolsky at 309-665-2067. And then there is life beyond addiction. Smart recovery can help you get there. Participants help one another resolve problems with any addiction. Process, drugs, alcohol, activities, gambling, overeating, walking away from learning from one's beset upon exampling, piling on, more on. Participants find and develop the power within themselves to change and lead fulfilling and balanced lives, guided by their science-based and sensible 4-point program. Community Health Care Clinic, 900 Franklin Avenue, Normal, 61761. Angie. Jason Sky, 309-830-6962. Starting Monday, February the 24th day thereof, from 6 o'clock post meridian until 7 of the clock, half past there, post meridian. There's also one for Veterans Treatment Court, which I think is crazy. Courts martial. The fringes on the flags indicate a militant. Yeah, exactly. Then I would like to thank Arthur James Feldman for subscribing to Illinois Bar Journal, being sent to the McLean, or is it McLean? McLean County Public Defender, 104 West Front Street, room 603, Bloomington, Illinois, 61701-5005, or rather, yeah, plus 5005. Zip for addressing. I'm going to read the cover story or cover article, which is 8 things every trial lawyer should know. Caught my eye, and well, there's no hook, but oh, yeah. I'm here in the law library, so there's Jake. Want to wave to the camera, Jake? A Justice Corps volunteer, which is part of AmeriCorps, which is the domestic version, I guess, of the Peace Corps. So 8 things every trial lawyer should know by Ed Finkel. From jury selection to your closing argument, opportunities and traps abound. Every client and trial are different, but successful trial lawyers know that winning a case requires deep preparation and attention to detail that begin long before jurors are seated and the trial starts. Last April, in an ISBA CLE titled The 8 Things Every Trial Lawyer Should Know, Illinois attorneys and judges shared characteristics all good trial attorneys have in common. The Illinois Bar Journal gathered their key takeaways for this month's cover article. Their tips and tricks cover 8 aspects of trial law: presenting and arguing motions in limine, yeah, who knows? Latin, man. I would say in limine or in limine. Selecting a jury, making objections, establishing proofs through direct examination, controlling a witness on cross-examination, handle a jury instructions conference, delivering a closing argument, and maintaining professionalism during an adversarial process. Mastering, or number 1, first of 8, mastering motions in limine. At the outset of a trial, litigators need to present and argue motions in limine conducted away from the jury to determine whether to include or exclude certain evidence. Particularly for attorneys in Cook County, where judges aren't always assigned in advance, Ron Kalish, partner with Chicago-based Steinberg, Goodman, and Kalish, suggests contacting your opponent before trial to exchange motions. Of course, it's got to be exchanged both ways, he says, otherwise it doesn't seem fair. Second, knowing that the judge might not be familiar with the case until the trial begins, file responses so that the court can be better informed. And then reach as many stipulations as you can with your opponent to take some, if not most, of the motions in liming off the table. Judges greatly appreciate both of you walking in and saying, "Judge, we've got 42 motions in liming. The first 35 are agreed and stipulated to," Kalish says. That goes a long way with the court and also a long way with your opponent. To keep all parties organized and on task. Uh, huh. 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 That's strange. Yeah, that hurt. It's like a hat eye. What is that? Me? There's nothing there, and oh, whacked it up. Well, it says the computer will reboot in 2 minutes and 52 seconds now. Cancel? Huh. That goes a long way with the court and also a long way with your opponent. To keep all parties organized and on task, Kalish recommends putting together a binder with exhibits to the motions for your opponent and the court. For less routine motions, have the case law on hand for citations. You might get a ruling on the spot and put the issue to rest because you had the case law available, he says. Kalish recommends asking for additional time when you encounter motions on issues with which you are unfamiliar. Weird. Wonder if it's been 3 minutes. Maybe. Well, Ed Finkel is an Evanston-based freelance writer. Ed Finkel at edfinkel.com. Well, it's 4:10 p.m. Now 4:11, and I don't know. I'm gonna go enjoy some sunshine. I guess we'll finish this later. Gotta go turn this to the defender's office. God, no, God is not to do it. I am. And I'm no God. Ciao, Mata.